What?
This is a grandma. I really like your grandma.
Yeah?
You can put headphones in?
No.
You can press this. And this is how you do it. I'm going to turn it on.
So it is currently a little after 12. I slept super long last night. This is the latest I've probably ever woken up in my life, which was about 11:15. So yeah, I'm headed to get Chick-fil-A because story of my life, you know. My anxiety is really acting up again, but we are gonna get through it. So I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. There's no way for me to post the vlog that I edited, which means we're still behind because I won't have a solid connection to Wi-Fi until later tonight. So not gonna worry about that. You can literally see the puffy bags underneath my eyes, and I just slept for 10 hours. That's insane. Anyways, so Chick-fil-A, then work, and then I'm headed back to my own house. I traded my shift tomorrow for a different shift this week so I could go home and get some sleep. Not some sleep, so I could go home and just wind down a little bit. Hi guys, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So, it is nighttime. It's about 8 o'clock, and I didn't film a damn thing today because I'm great at Vlogmas. So we just finished doing some Christmas shopping. I only have 2 people left on my list, and Christmas is literally next week, so that's great. But I'm done for today, so I'm going to get in the hot tub. You can see the back of my onesie right there. I'm going to get into the hot tub, relax a little bit, and then do something crazy. Probably not. Another day of me not filming literally anything. And at first I was kind of upset because I was like, what happened to my Vlogmas, yo? I'm sucking hard. But then I realized that sometimes vlogging every day really sucks. And like for CTFXC, if you know who that is, they hold the longest vlogging record. Like he vlogs every single day and uploads every single day. And I just can't. Like, I already don't do anything interesting, but sometimes, you know, my mental health isn't A+, or I'm just tired. And so, yeah, a lot of respect to people who do this every day. I don't. I'm not prepared for the everyday YouTube life, but I'm still trying, you know? Like, I feel like that's what's important. So, yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube now, and then I'll do a YouTube review to make this a little bit longer. But I'm gonna combine yesterday and today's vlogs because it's literally nothing at all. Like, I didn't film shit. So maybe that'll make it like 2 minutes long. Oh god, I'm a mess. Hello and welcome to my YouTube review in the dark. I watched Dan and Phil's new video where they played a 90s board game called Heartthrob. Like a girl chooses which guy she wants to date. But like they played it and it was so funny. Putting out some problematic gender stereotypes from the 90s. And yeah, I really liked it. But I mean, you probably can tell by now, but I had a few drinks. So I am crashing out for the night. I'll get back to vlogging this week so that I actually have vlogs to post and I don't just film like one thing a day. But yeah, I needed this break because I'm a mess and that's just my life. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you stick around and good night.